Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, IoT, robotics and fun tech. This is my 3-minute summary of the video blog on the Raspberry Pi 5, adding an NVMe SSD and its performance. The Raspberry Pi 5 feels quite at home from previous devices with 4 USBs, RJ45 and GPIOs. There are some changes though, such as 2 camera ports and a new PCIe port. There are also new ports for cooling fan control and a dedicated UART. My favourite feature though is the power switch. The Pi 5 does run warm, but with a Raspberry Pi's active heatsink, it's kept nice and cool. These are easy to fit too, with a surprising press fitting. I run my Raspberry Pi 4s on SSDs using a USB adapter, so I wanted to run SSD on a Pi 5 too. I bought the Pimarone's NVMe base, and this was really easy to install. Compared to my Raspberry Pi 4s, I'm getting quite good uplifts in performance. CPU is over 80%, memory up a similar 80%, and disk write speeds over 60% compared to the USB SSD. Compared to writing to an SD card, of course, it's off the planet. The Raspberry Pi 5 is a great step forward, and not just faster, but with some really nice connectivity. Things that are really useful, like the dedicated UART, fan control and power switch. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think of this new 3-minute summary format in the comments. Please like the video, as it helps encourage me and others find it. And please subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. Goodbye for now.